welcome back to my channel. So guys, in today's video I want to show you how I achieve this beautiful cornrow hair updo using Afro puffs. So if you want to see how I achieve this gorgeous simple hairstyle, please keep watching. Here are the things I've been needing for this hairstyle: my combs, hairband, Afro puffs, hair accessories, and my hair clips. Now I'm done combing my hair. I'm going to make a false part from half my eyebrow and secure with my hairpin. Then I go back and make a straight line from there to my ear. And also secure with my hairpin to avoid disturbance. Then I comb and start cornrolling. Okay guys, I moisturize this hair well enough before I start to make this hairstyle. Trust me guys, if you moisturize your hair properly, you will have less work to do. You won't have to struggle along as you cornrow. You know, it makes it way easier and it makes my hair feel a lot softer. So yeah, when I get to the end of this cornrow, I'm going to start twisting the ends. Reason for that is because it makes it way easier for me to take down. So just the way I'm twisting now. So I made another straight line and hold with my hair clip. See how soft my hair looks? That's because it's properly moisturized, guys. Put a lot of moisturizer, trust me, you have less work to do. So now I'm cornrolling, and when I get to the end of the hair, I'm going to grab the first cornrow just like this and add to the second one and cornroll a little bit before I start to twist again. Then I'll secure with my hairpin. So onto this other side, I'm making my little design. So I'm just parting the hair right there and checking that the line is straight and clean. Then I'll also secure with my hairpin at the back there. Then I comb and start cornrolling. So guys, because I'm going to be using Afro puff at the back, so parting this hair, I didn't really bother if the line at the back is straight and all that clean, because I know by the time I put the Afro puff, it's going to cover the ends of the cornrow. So even if the line is not that clean, I just know that the Afro is going to cover the areas I stop the cornrow. You will see what I mean when we get to that point anyway. Please guys, if you're watching and you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you get notified each time I post new video. And please give the video a thumbs up and also let me know what you think in the comment section. So guys, this is the last cornrow I'm doing now. It's been a while I cornrowed my hair without putting any extension. I've gotten used to putting extension in all my hairstyles, but this looks actually very nice. It's been a while. So I'm done cornrolling now. I'm just going to comb my hair. And I'll pack to make a bun. Just the way I did there. and hold with my rubber band. Guys, we are almost done with this hairstyle. It's quite a very simple hair updo. Then I'll grab my Afro puff, attach the pin to it, and put on top of the bun and secure with more pins. And I'll grab the second Afro puff and put on top of the bun again. Trust me guys, I've done so many hairstyles with this my Afro puffs. Like I've had them for a very long time, and it actually looks like it's my hair each time I use it. It's my best Afro puff. So guys, now I'm going to accessorize the hair. This puff looks like it's my natural hair. Guys, I love this style. It's way simple, easy to achieve. Trust me guys, this is so beautiful. You know what I love most about this? At night you can just take out the Afro puff and have a good night rest, and in the morning you just bring out the Afro puff again and still attached to the hair, and nobody will know. How cute, eh? So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you loved the video. Please don't forget to like it, give your girl a thumbs up, please subscribe for more videos, and do have a lovely day. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.